Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in Xero. This feature helps you automate the categorization of bank transactions, saving you significant time during reconciliation by applying predefined rules to incoming and outgoing transactions. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This is your starting point to access your Xero account. Once the page loads, you'll see the login option prominently displayed. Click on the login button and enter your email address and password to access your Xero dashboard. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your accounting. Now look at the top navigation menu and click on Accounting. This will reveal an expanded menu with several options related to your accounting functions. From this expanded menu, select Bank Rules. This section is specifically designed for managing automated transaction rules. On the Bank Rules page, you'll see all the rules you've already created for your bank account. At the top left part of your screen, you'll notice the rules are organized into different sections: spending money, receiving money, and transferring. This categorization helps you manage different types of transactions separately and keeps your rules organized based on transaction flow. To create a new rule, click on the Create Rule button located at the top right part of your screen. This will open up the rule configuration page where you'll set up your automated banking conditions. On this page, you'll need to determine how you want to apply this rule. Select either Any Conditions Match or All Conditions Match. Choosing Any Conditions Match means the rule will trigger if at least one condition is met, while All Conditions Match requires every condition to be satisfied before the rule applies. Next, click on the Field drop-down to select how you wish to filter this rule. You might choose to filter by transaction description, amount, or other criteria. After selecting your filter, add a condition and set the value that will trigger this rule. This is where you define the specific parameters that Xero will look for in your bank transactions. You'll also need to set the contact for this rule. You can assign transactions to an existing contact, create a new contact, or pull the contact information from pay details during bank reconciliation. This ensures transactions are properly attributed to the right customer or supplier. Fill in the allocated line items section where you'll specify which account codes these transactions should be posted to. You can also add a reference and any additional rule details that will help you identify and track these automated transactions later. Once you've configured all the settings to match your requirements, click on Save at the bottom of the page. Your new bank rule is now active and will automatically categorize matching transactions going forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.